Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with
Really?
Megan.
Yeah. Creations?
Creations.
Oh, sure. Right.
And we're going to have another drawing because I was not contacted by Nancy. Before we do that, we're going to talk about the car accident.
I don't want to.
I was not in the car.
She was not involved. It was
I was
me and a
here
friend.
making my video for Wednesday last week.
She's
when
good.
I got a telephone call
She's
that
safe.
Megan had been in an accident.
We're good.
Her and her girlfriend were coming. Were you going to?
We were
Somebody's
going
house?
to someone's
Okay.
house.
And
We
she
hit something
hit
in the
a
road.
pothole in the road with the
something.
front tire, lost control of the vehicle. They had their seatbelts on. No, they weren't drinking. Just an innocent thing happened. It was freakish. And they ended up on the side of the road. The car got totaled. They got out of the vehicle. A young man was driving behind them, saw the whole thing, called 911 immediately.
I don't know if he saw it.
Well, he come up behind you. Anyway, he
But-
called 911 immediately, and they came right away and helped him out. She didn't go to the hospital or anything,
I
but she
refused.
does have a bad sprain.
It's not bad.
Sprain.
But
on
it's
her
not,
ankle.
It's not bad. Don't
It-
scare them now.
It swelled up. She's already put an ice pack on it. She elevated. She's went from a walker to crutches to pretty soon she'll be walking by herself. She's fine. Okay?
Probably next week.
Next week. But anyway, so I never got contacted by Nancy. I had something on my foot there. That's why I'm wiggling around. I got something on the floor.
Oh, God.
But I just got off work and I want to do this because, again, I want to get this package mailed on Friday if I can. So we're going to do let's do the drum roll. Maybe we weren't excited enough about the winner. Let's be more excited this time around. Were we going to say anything else? Right offhand, can you think of anything? Anything? Nothing? Okay, let's
What do you
go.
want me to say?
Nothing.
Did you know
Get your-
pickles are actually pickled cucumbers? Like,
Okay,
what
get
do you want
yours.
me to say?
Oh my gosh.
We have our-
Oh my gosh.
Random number
see.
generator. How many times, ma'am? Dear? My darling?
What did we do it last time? How many times?
I don't know.
All right, let's do it. Lucky number 7. Let's go with it. Roll it 7
Okay.
times.
Where's my finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
16.
Number 16
is
drum roll. Lois, Casey, you're the winner. Whoops. Can I see the paper? You need to.
no, I don't.
Okay.
You're too close. I don't know what's wrong.
Lois, Casey, you're the winner. Contact me by email so I can get this package in the mail, young lady.
The crowd goes wild.
And the crowd went wild. We just didn't see anybody. There, we saw you. That's
You
good.
heard the crowd.
There you go.
That's
Yes, I hear
all.
them.
Well,
I hear them in
my-
the distance. That sounds like somebody having a drink or something or another and going, ah. And keep voting. So far, it looks like a lot of people want me to take off the 2 rows, and the more I look at it on the wall for the flag, the more I'm going to take off the 2 bottom rows. I think it looks a lot better that way. Look at you thinking. Don't you think it does? It looks like it's a little bit too long.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it will look better.
I don't know.
Anyway, we're going to end this video, so get your email sent to me, lickety-split. If I don't hear from you by Friday evening, I'm going to do another drawing to get it out on Saturday.
Right.
Yeah, I guess Nancy just didn't come back, and I guess she didn't think she would ever be a winner. I don't know. Beats the heck out of me. I have no clue. She forgot.
Anywho.
She forgot she entered. All right. Thanks for watching.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Thanks again.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, typewriter,
it's a computer. You're making a comment on a computer.
and subscribe,
And hit the
like bell. No, click on the little bell.
notification.
Notification.
Yes, there's a like bell.
Even the pen on mine doesn't work, does it?
Well,
Charades, they don't work.
Your brain has been at work all day. It's trying
Yeah,
to
it's
rest.
been at work, been in a meeting, been in all kinds of things. So, all right.
Woohoo!
See y'all next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.